Hello amigos, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a drawing video, which I know my channel doesn't really have a lot of artistic, well, obviously like my channel is artistic, that is creation. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling about that. As I was saying, I'm going to be doing a drawing video. I'm going to be drawing a whole bunch of circles with this little tool. So this tool has just like a whole bunch of circles. Sorry, it's kind of hard for you guys to see it. But basically there's just a whole bunch of holes. It came in my geometry set for school, but I took it home because why not? So I'm going to be drawing a whole bunch of circles and making like a design. You'll find out later on. Yeah, also the music in the background is a song called Cold Blooded Love. I'm just playing this off of iTunes. The music, like this song, will be linked in the description on YouTube. So go check the song out. It's pretty lit. Also, just wanted to just tell y'all, the reason why I haven't been posting in a real long time is because I've been busy. School, you know, the use. But yeah, I've been busy from school and the holidays and all that crap. I bleached my hair. Anyways, I'm just gonna get right onto this. I'm gonna grab my drawing book and set up my camera and my desk and all that so then you guys can see it. Yeah, I also might play a different song. I don't know, I might. I think I am, because I'm kind of bored of this song already. So yeah. Anyways, bye. Let me go quickly grab that. Okay, now that I have changed everything, like I changed my music and all that, this is my drawing book. I'm going to be drawing sideways, but first I just want to show you me trying to draw pandas. Hold up, you can't like see it very well at all, but like pandas, and then I drew a dabbing panda, what I think is pretty cute. Leave him alone. Sleeping panda. Just a lot of pandas. I was practicing my pandas. Leave it alone. Anyways, in this drawing, I'm going to be drawing it sideways, because if I draw it like a normal human being, like this, like, say, because for me, the head would be here, and the body would be down here, but for you, that would be upside down. So, it just makes more sense if I do it sideways, and then you can see my full page. So, now you guys can kind of get a better look at the thing. So, I'm going to just show you the different sizes that I have. In the middle of my page. What the hell am I doing? I don't know. I just noticed that there's going to be a lot of silence in this video. So you guys are mostly just going to be listening to Save Me by BTS. It isn't even one of their newer songs, it's like one of their older songs. But this is basically what the tool is. It's just a whole bunch of circles that are in different sizes. So that's what we're working with in this video. And I think I kind of want to do a peacock, but I also don't really care what I do. I just want views. That sounds so bad. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I just felt like doing a video because I haven't done one in a real long time. So this might just be a whole bunch of like me saying random like stuff and all that. I don't know. So I'm gonna start off with, hold up, I forgot to tell y'all, there are like numbers for each one, as you can see. So we start off with a 3, like, hold up. You can't even see the numbers. Shit. So it's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you know, math. Anyways, I'm gonna start off with this one. I hope you guys can see this. Like, I hope this is like a good quality video and that my hand isn't in the way the whole time. Boom. We have our first circle. Like, you see that? That's basically what I'm going to be doing. So, like, making sure that my lines don't interlock each other. It sucks because I don't know how to speed this up, you guys. So it's just going to be real slow and painful to watch. Ooh. It's even worse because I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just aimlessly drawing circles on my page. Think of how many kids could be saved with this paper. Think of that while you try to sleep. Oof. So I'm going to accomplish a lot of circles, and I'll be back once that is successfully accomplished. I would speed up the position, like, not speed up. Well, yes, I would speed it all up, but I can't because I don't know how to do that on my editing system, so, yeah. Also, my fingers are disgusting. I hate myself. Boom, I've officially drawn a whole bunch of circles in one place. And now I'm going to take my Copic markers out. Sorry if you couldn't hear that. I said I'm going to take my Copic markers out. Now, later on, like in the future, I probably will do a review on Copic markers. I have quite a lot of them. But these are my, like, so far, these are my favorite markers, just because they are. I have a lot of them, but sadly a lot of them have died and are almost useless now because they've run out of ink. But I'm going to color in every circle in here. Color. So I'm going to choose a couple of colors. So I'm going to change the camera angle so that you guys can see what I choose when I'm doing this. So, be right back. Okay, now that I've changed the angle successfully, I'm going to choose a couple of colors. So I think, pardon me, I'm going to choose a couple of blues. So I think I'm going to choose this light blue. It's a light crunkly blue. Oh my god, this camera is legit the worst. Like, there's no way this is gonna focus. Like, honestly, there's zero way this is going to focus because it's a crap camera. Seriously, costs like $5, but still recording with it. My phone is probably better at recording, but what else? So I'm gonna choose a couple of blues. This one's like my lightest blue. Then I'm going to go in with a darker blue. This one is night blue. That's the color name thing. Yeah, it's really nice. I guess I should be saying the numbers. Anyways, the first one was B93, and then the next one was B97. So I'm going to be choosing another blue, and this one is B95. It's a nice color like that. I think that's enough blues. Now I'm going to choose a couple of greens, because, you know, it's a flower thing, I guess. Oh, I forgot to tell you it's a flower thing. So I'm taking out G29. It's a dark green color, and then I'm going to take out a more vibrant dark green color. This one is G94. There you go. I don't have that many greens, if I'm being honest. But I'm going to take this. It's kind of dull, and it's the number is BG96. So I'm going to take that one out as well. And then I'm going to take this light green, kind of like a bonnet color. The number is YG95. Yeah, this is the color. Now I'm going to choose a couple of pinks. So I'm going to choose R85. It's like a dark pink. if I'm being honest. Like, when you use it, it's a bright pink. That's, like, the only pink color that I have. Like, I know, like, these front ones look like they're pink, but when you actually draw on paper, they don't look pink, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. I'm going to choose this red. It's R37. I'm going to choose this red, actually, because this red's more of a pinkish red. It's really nice. It doesn't go in the right area. Okay, this one's R35. There we go. And then I'm going to choose this yellow, what is Y38. And then I'm going to choose this orange, what is YR68. And then I'm going to choose this purple, and this purple. The dark purple is BV17. And then the next one is V15. So, yeah. I'll change the camera now. So, I've got all my colors. Let me just move them out of the way. Oh my god. So I'm gonna start coloring in these. I'm running out of time because I can only record for 15 minutes because that's how long my recording system records for. So yeah. So I'm gonna do most of this off camera. So yeah. But I'm gonna do some of it on camera. So I'm gonna start off with my light blue B97. Yeah, I'm using the brush tip because that's my favorite. It's like literally a brush tip. Really nice. I like it. And I'm just gonna color in a couple of these blue. Like, this is what I'm going to be doing for most of them. Like, I'm not gonna, like, do it color coordinated or anything like that, because, like, that will take me legit forever. But, like, you see, I'm gonna color in a couple of them like that. If I had the choice, I would speed this up, but I don't. So, I'm just going to cut it out instead, because that's what I do. Oof. So, like, I'll come back every once in a while to, like, show you how I've done. But aside from that, I'm gonna keep coloring. So, I've done a little, stuff. I kind of got a bit carried away, with some colors. So I'm kind of running out of space for some of my other colors. And I'm kind of panicking because it's not turning out the way that I wanted it to. And I'm a control freak, so, hug. And also, I don't know what this is. Originally, I wanted to make a peacock, but then I don't know what I did. This isn't a peacock. This is just bubbles. I made bubbles, guys. How do you like my artistic talent of bubbles? Like, comment down below if you like bubbles. Personally, like, if we're talking about real bubbles, I love bubbles. Bubbles are fantastical. I used to eat bubbles. Bubbles are delicious. Kids in my school are gonna say that that's why I have brain damage. I don't actually have brain damage. No offense to people that do. Why do I decide to make controversial videos? I suck now. And yes, I am just listening to the same song over and over again, so that I don't get copyright. And yes, I know that earlier another song played that I didn't mention. And I can low-key not remember what it was called. So, that's great. Probably gonna get copyright for that. But I'm just gonna say this, and hopefully it makes it so that I don't get copyrighted. I don't know any of the music that I play in the background. So, yeah. I'm gonna go and finish my drawing, because, yeah. Okay, just finishing off the last one. And okay, I just outlined it in black, and now I am done. So it's abstract, I guess. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and please share with your friends. And yeah. Bye bye, amigos. Love you. So I'm just gonna. I can't believe you've done this. Subscribe!